12C3, mute your mobile. See now, I can put here plus 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 plus here.
Say,
12C3, please mute your mobile. Right? Run the program. Now run the program. What output could be? Can only concat. String is not a which is could not seen. Not tuple to string. See, so this is called error, typo error, because so those who are tuple only, the tuple plus tuple is equals to the tuple. Understand? So the string plus tuple, which is not at all possible. For example, if you put another string here, see, which is possible or not? See now, see, which is possible. That is called string plus string. String plus string. Hello, 1, 2, 3 will be added. See now, that is a string we have given. Means using quotations, double quotes or single quotes. So wherever the data type, that particular data type only can added. Addition is possible. See what I am suggesting you previous. See t1 dot append, append some 3 I want to put. So is this possible or not? Check once. See, the attribute error type tuple object has no append method. Append method will not be applicable because tuples are immutable. Right? Next, another one, t1 dot extend of 1, 2, 3. So you can use brackets because of tuple. See now, which is possible or not? See, attribute error, tuple object has no extend method, append method. There is no extend method, there is no append method. So first append method is available. See here in the indicates red button also. See here, which indicates red button. Red button means undefined name. Undefined name. See now, which is also not possible. Tuple object has no attribute of extend method. Right? So here, what I'm saying is, so which is not at all possible because of immutable things. Right? Now, again, I'm going to presentation. See this presentation. Okay, sorry, I forgot this repeat also. Now, concatenation is completed. Repeat. So now, repeated task. So how do you repeat the same element? See now, I can see hi will be repeated several times. I want so comma star 5 times, star 5 times. Star 5 times. You know. So 5 times hi printed or not. So plus operator. Waiting for your screen. See now, t1 of hi, comma star 5. Print T1. How many times repeated that H will be repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means which indicates plus operator is also applicable, star operator also applicable in tuple, right? Similar like list programming. Okay. Now again, okay. See, another one is deleting a tuple. So how to delete? Please, in a list programming, we have some methods are available. Remove method, pop method, right? So those methods are applicable in list programming, in array programming, in string programming. But here, the delete operation, so we cannot change the elements in a tuple. That also means, so we cannot delete or remove items from a tuple. We cannot remove in a particular items or elements in the given tuple. So because see, my underscore tuple is equals to p, one character, r o g r a m I z, program I z. So here this delete del my underscore tuple of 3, so which is a typo error, because delete operation is not at all possible in tuple programming. We cannot change, we cannot remove, we cannot delete in tuple program. So that is the reason. So tuple object doesn't support item deletion. If you can delete entire tuple, it is possible. Del my underscore tuple. So once you type print my underscore tuple, that type my underscore tuple is not defined. See now, I can show you. See, for example, T1 H comma 5. So I can remove I. Then, so this is a tuple. So what I'm saying is, now comma, so 1 comma 3.4 comma. So now I want to delete in a particular del of uh, del of T1 of some 2. So del of space T1 of 2. So see now whether it is applicable or not. Typo error. Tuple object does not support delete operation. Typo error. Tuple object does not support. I told you right previous. Similar kind. So which is not possible. Which is not possible in the given tuple. Right. So for example, T1. See del T1. See now. See print T1. So deleted that T1. The T1 is deleted. So name error, name T1 is not defined, because that deleted the entire content. Delete operation. So entire whole your tuple will be deleted. But in a particular element, we cannot delete. So in previous string operation, array operation, and list program, we can possible. But here tuple, which is does not possible, because of the reason is immutable program. Right? Understood? Now another. See, another operations, Python tuple methods. For example, in a tuple, one particular element several times repeated in a tuple. Several times repeated. How many occurrences that element is repeated? How many occurrence of that particular element? That is which method we are using? Earlier also